Good afternoon and welcome to your science review with Mr. Blaze. Today I'm going to go over a series circuit problem with you, and we're going to do this in one take, so follow along. As you can see, I have my circuit drawn. If you need to write this out for your paper, go ahead and pause the video now. I also have my table out here. Okay, so we can see that we have four resistors in series, and we remember from our notes that our total resistance for a series circuit is just R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, or in this case, according to our problem statement, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7, or 19. Let's go ahead and write that in. 19 ohms. Also, we can see we have a 20-volt battery, which means that all of our voltages will have to add up to 20 volts. We remember that as being true about a series circuit as well. So let's go ahead and start doing our math. Now, as we discussed in class, our table is a good way of telling which thing we can calculate first. As you can see, we have one unknown when we're looking at the total. So we have 20 volts, we have 19 ohms of resistance, so we can go ahead and apply Ohm's law for the total. I total times R total is equal to V total. So 20 volts equals whatever I total happens to be times 19 ohms of resistance. Now if we divide both sides by 19 ohms, we end up with a current of 20 divided by 19, or 1.05 amps. And again, if we remember from our notes about series circuits, we know that a series circuit has the same current everywhere in the circuit. So we can go ahead and write in 1.05, 1.05, 1.05, 1.05, and 1.05. I know that last one was surprising. Now we can see that we have only one unknown for each of the four remaining boxes, so we can go ahead and calculate them. But we're trying to find our V's, so we can go ahead and apply our Ohm's law. V1 equals I1 R1, which is 1.05 times 5, or nope, that's not right. 1.05 times 5 is 5.25. V2 is I2R2, which is 1.05 times 4, which is 4.2. V3, which is I3R3, or 1.05 times 3, or 3.15. And V4, which is I4R4, or 1.05 times 7, or 7.35. So let's go ahead and fill these in. 5.25, 4.2, 3.15, and 7.35. If we add all these up, we get 20 volts. All right, so we have filled out our entire table, and there we go. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in class.